Hello friends, hope so all of you doing well, and in this video I will show you how you can enable or disable keyboard sound and vibration in your Samsung Galaxy A03 core or Samsung Galaxy A03. So before you start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So to enable or disable keyboard sound and vibration while pressing any alphabet, simply first of all just go to settings and then go to keyboard settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.